Very good morning to everyone, students. I am Gaurav Ahuja, your maths teacher. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Introduction to Coordinate Geometry, and this chapter is from R.S. Agrawal. In R.D. Sharma also the basic concept is same, but the some questions will be different. Okay, so we are going to start chapter number 22, Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. Get ready, बच्चों. So, students, the chapter name is Coordinate Geometry. What is coordinate geometry? As you can see, students, I have shared the screen. Here you can see some lines are there, horizontal and vertical. तो this looks like, ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे मैथ्स की बुक है, मैथ्स की कॉपी है छोटी क्लास की, जो सेकंड थर्ड में हम लोग, याद है, हम लोग यूज़ करते थे. बट इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक few lines, one vertical line, listen carefully बच्चों, and one horizontal line. Okay, so what I am actually doing, क्या कर रहा हूं मैं बच्चों इस समय. अभी मैं इस पेज को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा हूं. एम आई राइट बच्चों? स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी नाउ, दिस पेज मीन्स here you are seeing कि चेक बोर्ड टाइप की कॉपी का एक पेज है. बट नाउ आई हैव डिवाइडेड दिस पेज इनटू 4 equal parts, or you can say 4 parts. The first part, students, is on the right side, left side, left bottom, right bottom. Am I right बच्चों? So now you will say कि sir, this is first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. I am using anti-clockwise direction for numbering of these parts. Okay, anti-clockwise, and starting from first, second, third, fourth. Okay, बच्चों. Now these horizontal and vertical lines have name, and the name is x-axis and y-axis. Means this horizontal line on this piece of paper will be known as x-axis, this one x-axis, and this vertical line will represent y-axis. Okay, so x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is the line, horizontal line, and y-axis is vertical line. Okay, बच्चों. Now listen. Here we have y, so we are naming here y dash. Okay, x on the right side, so here we can write x dash. And the point where these axes intersect, I will name it as O. This O is known as origin. This O is origin. तो what is origin बच्चों? Origin is a point of intersection, जहां पर ये lines आपस में एक दूसरे को intersect कर रही हैं. Am I clear बच्चों? Now, the point where these lines x-axis and y-axis intersecting is known as origin. Okay, and this plane where x-axis and y-axis you have drawn is known as Cartesian plane. What is the name? That is Cartesian plane. So now you can see the page we have divided with x-axis and y-axis. Origin is the point where axis and y-axis are intersecting with each other. And now this plane is known as Cartesian plane because यहाँ पर हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस को. Okay, so students, we have divided this page into 4 parts. first part, second, third and fourth. So this first part is known as first quadrant. This is second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. You cannot change the numbering, means you cannot start from here like first, second, third and so on. No, anti-clockwise direction you have to move. Okay, from this part, first quadrant, then anti-clockwise means घड़ी की direction के opposite, second quadrant, then third quadrant, then fourth quadrant. Okay students, now listen. ओरिजिन के लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड डिफरेंट पार्ट होते हैं. मीन्स इफ यू आर गोइंग ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द ओरिजिन, दिस इज ओरिजिन बच्चों. इफ यू आर गोइंग ऑन द राइट साइड you will get all terms positive. Means this is known as, this part origin के right side का part, that is known as positive x-axis. On the left side if you are going, that is known as negative x-axis. Similarly if you are going origin से ऊपर की ओर, if you are going that is known as positive y-axis, and downward if you are moving, that is known as negative y-axis. Is it clear बच्चों? तो what I am telling you, origin के right side की ओर जाना, that is positive part. So I have mentioned here positive. Okay, now if I am moving towards the left hand side part, it means negative. Similarly if I am moving towards the you can say vertically above origin, that is positive y-axis, and here we have negative y-axis. Okay, so we have positive x-axis towards right hand side part, right hand side of origin, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. Okay, so what I am going to explain now, listen बच्चों. Suppose I am having a point in this part. In this part, this is a point. Students, जैसे हम जीपीएस में अपने घर की पोजीशन देखते हैं, कि जीपीएस में यहाँ है और आप देखोगे इतने डिग्री वेस्ट, इतने डिग्री, इतने मिनट, इतने सेकंड पोजीशन वो जीपीएस में शो करता है. सेम वैसे ही हर क्वाड्रेंट में every point will have its position. Suppose here we have a point, this point, let's say the name of this point is A. Okay, so this point is in first quadrant, it lies in the first quadrant. As you can see, first quadrant means the point falls between this area, as you can see. Okay, so this area belongs to first quadrant. So point A belongs to first quadrant. Okay, it lies inside the first quadrant. Now इसकी पोजीशन हमें चेक करनी है. तो पोजीशन हमेशा दो वैल्यूज से बनती है, that are known as coordinates. Coordinates is order pair of x and y. I am explaining, just listen, and I know you will be able to understand it. What is x, what is y? Suppose I am numbering, right now I am numbering with different color I am numbering so that you will not get confused. I am using blue pen. Okay, this is first on graph, we are making second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all numbers that will be positive. Okay, this is origin. Origin means 0. We are starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now here again 1, 2, this is 3, this point is fourth point. Okay, now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we have to find the position of point A. What I am doing, I am dropping a dotted line on x-axis from A, that is vertical line, and one horizontal line towards the y-axis. Now students, we'll get the position of A, that is known as coordinate of A. First, coordinate means order pair of x and y. What is the value of, you can say, x value of point A? X value of point A is 3. So I will write it as 3, comma, here we can see 2. On y-axis we have second point, point 2. So A belongs to y-axis right now. It is second, 2. So coordinate of point A is 3, 2. So 3, 2 is showing the position of point A in this graph. Okay, again I am telling, when I was kid, तो मैं ये सोचता था कि इसे कैसे याद करूं, टीचर समझा नहीं पा रहा था या मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा था, मुझे नहीं याद आ रहा, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मैंने सोचा कि इस पॉइंट तक आने के लिए मुझे एक्स एक्सिस पे कितना मूव करना पड़ा, 0 1 2 3 3 पॉइंट, और ऊपर जाने के लिए मुझे कितना मूव करना पड़ा, देखो 1 गए, यहाँ से देखो 1, फिर ये 2, तो वट आई गॉट दिस पॉइंट ए by moving x on x axis 3 point and on y axis 2 points. तो coordinates 3, 2. Am I right बच्चों? So you can get direct values. कैसे, जैसे भी बताइए मैंने कि I am dropping a perpendicular on x axis, similarly a perpendicular on y axis. So on x axis I am getting 0.3, on y axis I am getting 0.2. So 3, 2. First we'll write x coordinate, then we'll write y coordinate. Okay, so I am getting the position of this point A, and the position of this point A is 3, 2. Okay बच्चों, is it clear? Any doubt? So students, to get a position of any point in the graph, what we are doing, again I am explaining with another example बच्चों. Okay, so I am taking a pink point. Okay, this is a new point. Here as we are moving from origin to left hand side, x axis के left side की तरफ जा रहे हैं, I will write -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, now I want to find the position of this point B. Okay, this is point B and I want to find the position of this point, means coordinate of this point. You know, position of a point in the graph is coordinate of the point that we are finding. Okay, what I am doing, I am dropping a perpendicular on x axis, again I am dropping a perpendicular on y axis. So coordinate of B, बच्चों, coordinate of B will be x comma y. So on x axis we have -3, okay, and on y axis we have 2, -3, 2. Okay बच्चों, so the position of point B or coordinate of point B is -3, 2. Here again, suppose this is a point and I want to find the coordinate of this point C. This is point C. So I am just numbering because it is on the negative y axis. So -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, -4. Now I want to find the position of point C, or you can say coordinate of point C. So what I am doing, I am dropping a perpendicular on y axis, on x axis. Okay, so on x axis we have -2, on y axis we have -3. So the coordinate will be -2, -3. First we will write x coordinate, then we will write y coordinate. Okay, so point C, position of point C, or you can say coordinate of point C is -2, -3. I hope it will be clear to all of you bachcho. Now I am taking next point. On the fourth quadrant, if I am taking point this, okay, let's say this point is D. So I want to find the coordinate of point D. What I am doing, again I will drop a perpendicular right now, but बच्चों I am using perpendicular, I am drawing perpendicular, but when you will grow, means कि जब ये chapter आपके used to हो जाएगा, तो you will not drop a perpendicular, you will just see on x axis we have 3 point, on y axis we have -4 point. Okay, so you will write directly, but now पहले दिन है, तो I am drawing. Now this is third, means on x axis we have 3, on y axis we have -4. So coordinate will be 3, -4. Okay, 3 comma minus 4. So coordinate of point D, this point D is 3 comma minus 4. Okay bachcho, now listen carefully. As you can see, on first quadrant we have x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, both are positive. So in first quadrant you will always get x and y coordinate positive. Both coordinate will be positive. As you can see, here we have positive x coordinate, matlab x axis, positive x axis. Here we have positive y axis bachcho. Okay, so this region, this first quadrant will always contain all the coordinates, means x coordinate will be positive, y will also be positive, because here we have positive, x coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. So this region will belongs to positive area of x and y. Now here in second quadrant, x is negative, as you can see, and y is positive. So this area in second quadrant, all values will be negative, all coordinates will be negative positive, means x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be positive. As you can see in this example, minus 3 comma 2. So here minus 3 comma 2 means x coordinate is minus 3, y coordinate is plus 2. सो कैसे पता लगा बच्चों कि सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में पहला नेगेटिव दूसरा पॉजिटिव? ऐसे पता लगा कि x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ ओरिजिन, दिस इज ओरिजिन बच्चों, सो नेगेटिव, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, तो नेगेटिव कॉमा पॉजिटिव, यानी अगर कहीं आपसे पूछा जाए माइनस 3 कॉमा 2 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आता है, तो यू विल सी कि नेगेटिव कॉमा पॉजिटिव ओनली सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट विल बी देयर, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में ही आ सकता है. ओके, नाउ in third quadrant बच्चों, if you'll see third quadrant, x quadrant, x axis, this is on the negative x axis, and here again we have बच्चों negative y axis. तो negative negative x coordinate and y coordinate both will be negative in third quadrant. Okay बच्चों, now fourth quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Here we have x as positive, y as negative. So in this quadrant you will get positive, negative, means first value, that is x coordinate will be positive, y negative. देखो जरा, जब हमने ऑप्शन डी यानी पॉइंट डी का कोऑर्डिनेट निकाला था, दैट वाज 3 कॉमा माइनस 4, मीन्स फर्स्ट वैल्यू पॉजिटिव, सेकंड वैल्यू नेगेटिव. आई होप दिस विल बी क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू बच्चों. नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग वंस अगेन. ये पूरा खिचड़ी सा बन गया है, तो इस खिचड़ी को हटाकर एक बार फिर से बनाते हैं एक डायग्राम सुंदर सा. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मेक वन मोर ग्राफ. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, लिसन, आई एम यूजिंग ग्रीन पेन राइट नाउ. ओके, what I am drawing, students, you will say y axis. I know you will say. What I am drawing right now, you will say x axis. What is this piece of paper now known as? It is known as Cartesian plane. Now bachcho, listen. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Positive x axis, negative x axis, negative, positive y axis, negative y axis, y dash, origin. Okay, in first quadrant all values, means all coordinates of any point will be positive and positive, yani x coordinate as well as y coordinate both will be positive, because this first quadrant किससे बना है बच्चों? Positive x and positive y से. So all values, all coordinates of the points will be positive, means x coordinate will also be positive and y coordinate will also be positive. In second quadrant, x is negative na, and this you can see y is positive, so negative positive. X coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be positive. In third quadrant, both are negative, as you can see, negative, negative. Okay, so negative negative, and x as well as y both will be negative. And in fourth quadrant we have x coordinate positive, y negative, so plus minus. Now I hope this topic will be clear to all of you. This is a Cartesian plane, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, if one will ask, sir, what will be the coordinate of this point O? I will say we are starting from here, we are going here, here, upar, niche. So this is origin. Origin means the coordinate of point O will be 0, 0. Okay, the origin के coordinate कितने हुए बच्चों? 0, 0. Now here this is point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. This is fifth point. First 0 है, from 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, 4. But negative side na, तो -1, -2, -3, -4, like number line. Okay, here again -1, negative y axis है, तो -2, -3, -4. Okay, now बच्चों guess the point, the coordinate of this point. What will be the coordinate of point A? Guess the point, मतलब tell the answer बच्चों, I am waiting. So students, very good. I hope you all are enjoying this session. Students, as you can see, on x-axis we have +5. If you will draw, as you are new for this chapter, and here again I am drawing a perpendicular. So on x-axis I am getting 5, on y-axis I am getting -3, so the coordinates will be 5, -3. Okay बच्चों, now suppose I am writing 7, 3. ठीक है, there is a point whose coordinate, let's say point B. Okay, let's say point B, and the coordinate of point B is 7, 3. So this 7 is x coordinate, as I explained, and this 3 is y coordinate. Y coordinate of B. Okay, this x coordinate is also known as abscissa. Abscissa, and y coordinate is known as ordinate. If I am asking what is abscissa of point B, so you will think abscissa means x coordinate. You will directly say, sir, abscissa is 7. If I will ask कि what is ordinate of this point B, so you will say ordinate is 3. Okay, so abscissa means x coordinate, ordinate means y coordinate. तो abscissa and ordinate मिलकर बनाते हैं coordinate of a point. Okay, in simple language you will say 7 means x coordinate, but if mathematically और depth में जाते हैं, we will say 7 is abscissa of point B and 3 is ordinate of point B. So abscissa and ordinate मिलकर बनाते हैं coordinate. So abscissa and ordinate मिलकर बनाते हैं coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate, ordinate means y coordinate. Okay, suppose you have given, if ordinate is 2, listen बच्चों, if ordinate of a point is 2 and abscissa is double of ordinate, so abscissa is double of ordinate, तो 4 हो गया. तो what is the coordinate बच्चों? तो abscissa comma ordinate बनाते हैं coordinate, so the point will be 4, 2. Is it clear बच्चों? So abscissa means we are getting x coordinate of that point, and ordinate means we are getting y coordinate of that point. So x comma y means we'll get coordinate of that point. I hope this will be clear to all of you बच्चों. Okay students, जल्दी से देखते हैं इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे. आप मुझसे तेज कर पाते हैं या नहीं इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट? बट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉपिंग अ परपेंडिकुलर. नो, नाउ आई विल नॉट ड्रॉप, नाउ आई विल नॉट ड्रॉप. अब आप बड़े हो गए हो इस टॉपिक में. इफ यू विल ड्रॉप अ परपेंडिकुलर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस यू विल गेट -4, एंड इफ यू विल ड्रॉप अ परपेंडिकुलर वाई एक्सिस यू विल गेट 1. So coordinate of this point will be minus 4 comma 1. Okay, now again let's try jaldi se B point jaldi. What will the coordinate of point be bachcho? Coordinate of point B, that will be, I'm dropping a perpendicular on x-axis, I'm getting 1. I'm dropping a perpendicular on the y-axis, I'm getting 3. So 1 comma 3, first x coordinate then y coordinate. Okay, now bachcho jaldi se yes bachcho, point C, what will the coordinate of point this point C? I'm dropping a perpendicular on x-axis, I'm getting minus 4. I'm dropping a perpendicular on the y-axis, I'm getting minus 2. minus 4 comma minus 2. अब अगर किसी बच्चे ने ब्रैकेट अप्लाई नहीं किया तो वो गलत है. यू हैव टू मेक अ ऑर्डर पेयर. ठीक है, इनसाइड अ ब्रैकेट इट इज मस्ट. यू हैव टू अप्लाई अ ब्रैकेट विद कॉमा. ओके, नाउ अगेन इफ आई एम asking what is the point, what is the coordinate of point D? So what I am doing, I am dropping a perpendicular on x-axis, I am getting 2. I am dropping a perpendicular on y-axis, I am getting minus 4. So 2 comma minus 4 is the right answer. Okay बच्चों, so what is the coordinate of origin बच्चों? Coordinate of origin 0 comma 0. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to all of you बच्चों. अब listen बहुत ध्यान से समझना बच्चों. Suppose now I'm changing the color of pen because I want to explain something that is different. Okay, now what is the coordinate of this point? That is, let's say this point, the name of this point is E. So बच्चों, what I am doing, I am on which axis? I am on x axis. Okay, listen बच्चों, on x axis y तो होगा ही नहीं. Y will always be 0. Okay बच्चों, on x-axis value of y will be 0. Now as we have to find coordinate of point E, and point E कहाँ पर है बच्चों? As you can see, point E x-axis पर है. तो coordinate of this point E will be minus 2, means x coordinate comma y coordinate, but y तो है ही नहीं. तो coordinate of this point will be minus 2 comma 0. Because y-axis नहीं है ना, x-axis पर we are finding a point on x-axis, we are finding the coordinate on x-axis, so it will be x coordinate comma 0, because this is on x-axis na. On x-axis you have to remember one thing, on x-axis value of y will always be 0. Now what is the coordinate of this point बच्चों? Let's say point F. So students, as you can see, this point F lies on x-axis again, and the value of x coordinate is 3, but because it is on x-axis, so the coordinate will be 3 comma 0. I hope you are enjoying this session bachcho. So if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe it. Okay, if you like this video, so kindly share with your friends. Okay, now again, suppose now I am having a point G. Now you will say, sir, G point lies on y-axis. Am I right बच्चों? G point कहाँ पर lie कर रहा है? G point lie कर रहा है y-axis पर. Okay. Now on y-axis, one thing again I am explaining. On y-axis, x coordinate will always be 0, because y-axis पे y की वैल्यू होगी, x की वैल्यू नहीं होगी. Okay. Now on y-axis, x coordinate will always be 0. Now I am finding the coordinate of this point G. Okay, so coordinate क्या होते हैं बच्चों? हम जानते हैं, that is x comma y. Am I right? x comma y. But on y-axis x की वैल्यू तो 0 है, 0 comma y की वैल्यू 2 है, 0 comma 2. So coordinate of G will be 0 comma 2. Is it clear बच्चों? Now okay, now if I am finding the coordinate of this point on y-axis, let's say h, name of this point is h. Okay, now this is on y-axis, damn sure this is sure now. So x, because on y-axis x is 0, so I am writing as x coordinate comma y coordinate, and y coordinate is minus 3. So the coordinate is of point h is 0 comma minus 3. Is it clear बच्चों? Any doubt? Again we have made a khichdi, so we are going to take a new page to understand this concept that we have learned today. Okay, just wait for a second. So welcome back students. Now again, what I am doing, I am just revising. Okay, what I am drawing bachcho, now I am using pink color, you know. Y axis I am drawing, x axis. Okay bachcho, now x axis, y axis, again we are revising. I think it will be clear in the next episode or in the next video. I will explain some question. Okay, now students, as you can see, I'm taking a color, black color. Okay, now x axis, x dash, y dash, first quadrant x positive, y positive, second quadrant x negative, y positive. Okay, if you will have any doubt, you just put sign positive, positive, negative, negative. Now you can see x is negative, y is positive. Okay, here we have x negative, y negative. In third quadrant we will have both minus, x quadrant, y quadrant, both will be negative. And here x is positive in fourth quadrant and y is negative. Okay, so here we have origin, coordinate of O will be 0, 0. If any point lies on x axis, तो x वैल्यू होगी, y 0 हो जाएगी. If any points lies on y axis, y वैल्यू होगी, लेकिन x 0 हो जाएगी. Okay, okay बच्चों, now this is known as Cartesian plane, where we have drawn x axis and y axis. Okay, you can try these questions, these topics in graph copy. Okay, normal copy mein you don't do that. Okay, so what we are going to, okay, now we'll numbering it 1 2 3 positive, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 negative, 1 2 3 positive, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 negative. So student, that is all for today. Enjoy the session. I hope you have enjoyed. Take care. Bye bye. We'll continue it tomorrow. Bye bye bachchon. Have a great day ahead. See you.